Yes, before we do any exercise, we should not forget to do our warm-up. So first of all, thank you very much for all of you. Mwah! To all of you who are here watching our videos. So I'm not, a disclaimer please, I'm not an expert. I am just sharing with you my exercise routine. And you see my body is not yet perfect. I have some bulge in here and bulge in there. But you know, we are not discouraged by our build. Because what we want is to have a healthy lifestyle. Lucy Cebuana. Ay, hindi. Si Cebuana. Lisel Cebuana Vlogs. Lisel Cebuana Vlogs. Thank you. I'll give you a jacket. Oh, okay. I'll give you a jacket. So, always, we begin our exercise with the warm-up. So, warm up your fingers. Fingers up, fingers on the side, fingers on the below. And of course, we begin with nice inhale, exhale. Woo! Inhale, and exhale. Woo! Yes. Okay, now we begin with our stretching. So you stretch your arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice butt. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And on the other side, whoops, nice butt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And shake it. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Always happy, guys. Always happy because you know, if you are having fun, the exercise will not be difficult. So, make your exercise or workout routine happy and enjoyable so that you can stick with it. Now we go to our waist. Let's move it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, think of your body, appreciate your body. This is the only body that we have. Although it changes from time to time, we still need to take care of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, now we need to warm up our legs. Okay, just do like that. Yes. Obladi, oblada, life is on, brah. La 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 la, life goes on. Happy, cha la la la. It's so nice to be happy, cha la la la. Everybody should be happy, la 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 la. And do a little, okay, knee rotation. Love your knees. Your knees are very important for our exercise, so you need to take care of our knees. Yes, take care of our knees. Yep. Happy, ooh, happy. La 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 la. Happy. Okay, next. Side to side. Side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And kick 1, kick 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, and 2. 2 to each side. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Woo! You're doing great. Fine, fine, fine. You're doing great. Who is that? Okay. Yep. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. Lisel Cebuana Vlogs and Emma Nace. Emma Nace, thank you, thank you. you're so angry or so happy. Happy only. Sending good vibes to everyone. No hate. All the love, 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 love. I got a love, 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 love deep in my heart. Love is in my heart. So, sending good vibes to everyone.
Kami hindi na nakakarapan kasi.
Nakakapagod maglakad.
Ako na dito na. Kaya po bayaran
Wala
niya.
mga po may hindi nakita. Ayun, sinabi na yung diretso.